Did you know the phrase compliments of the season was actually started by non-Christians to extend warm wishes to Christians during the Christmas season? It's an interesting piece of trivia that not many people may be aware of. Speaking of the Christmas season, it's important to remember that it doesn't end on December 25th. In fact, it lasts until January 6th. Yes, that's right, the Pope and the bishops themselves continue to say, "Merry Christmas" for all 12 days. In a world where political correctness sometimes takes precedence, it's crucial not to let it replace the true essence of why we celebrate Christmas. It's a time to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, the central figure of the Christian faith. So as we exchange greetings and well wishes during this festive season, let's remember the significance of Christmas and hold on to our traditions. Let's not forget the reason why we gather with our loved ones, share gifts, and spread joy. While it's wonderful to appreciate and respect the diversity of beliefs around us, let's also ensure that we don't lose sight of the Christian roots of this celebration. No matter who we are, let's embrace the spirit of Christmas and honor the message it brings. So next time someone extends their wishes with the phrase compliments of the season, remember its origins and the sentiment behind it. Let us all come together to celebrate the joyous occasion that Christmas truly is.